Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm announcing my next challenge, which is going to be running November 1st, 2024 until December 31st, 2024. The theme is Christmas or using the colors green and or red. Please tag me at doubleclickconnect. Use the hashtag doubleclickconnect challenge. Today I'm going to be announcing my new Christmas 2024 release. I will do my release first and then I will go over the rules of the challenge after. This year I am releasing an optional color, which is very exciting. Originally my release was going to consist of the Rudolph Red, the Grinch Green, the Golden Goose, and the Silver Bells. And I was going to make the Snowball my bonus color. However, I loved this color so very much. I have never released a color like this that I decided that I want this Snowball White as part of the release. This month's release will consist of the Rudolph Red, the Grinch Green, and the Snowball White, and you will have the option of picking the Golden Goose or the Silver Bells. If you prefer to purchase through my Etsy shop, there is a link where you could select which color you would like, the silver or the gold. Everyone will get the red, green, and the white, and then you have the option of one of those two colors. If you pick, say, the Golden Goose, I will give you a sample of the Silver Bells, and if you pick the Silver Bells, I will give you a sample of the Golden Goose. This is my release for Christmas 2024. These all do have some glitter, and you will see some of that residue in the baggies, and that is normal, that some of the glitter will shake off. I did not even have time to craft a project yet for my new release. These colors take a lot longer than standard colors. I have to dye them several days in a row, and I just was not able to complete a Christmas project on time. I will be pulling out my Christmas stash hopefully next week, and I will be showing projects using these colors from my release. If you would like to send me a payment directly, I would appreciate that so very much. That helps me to avoid Etsy fees. Some of you may not know that shipping has gone up yet again, and I do provide free shipping, so any cost that I can save on my Etsy fees, I appreciate so very much. You can send me an email or just send me a direct message on Instagram. If you are looking for pastel Christmas colors, I do have a few sets left of the summer vibes, which are the lighter pastel colors, which also can work for pastel Christmas this season. These are also available in my Etsy shop, or if you're interested, feel free to send me a message for a set of these. This release is still going to be $5. It is 4 colors, and the opposite color you will receive a small bonus baggie of them. Real quick, let's go over the rules of the challenge. Every other month I will post a theme and show a project I made using the theme. However, I apologize, I did not do that this month. These are currently available in my Etsy shop, which will be linked down below, or please feel free to direct message me for a purchase. To enter the challenge, you do not have to use my dewdrops or mail in your project. Do a VR showing your project using the theme, which is Christmas or the colors green and or red. Please tag me at doubleclickconnect and use the hashtag doubleclickconnect challenge. Please leave a comment and be a subscriber. The challenge will be open for the next 2 months, and you may enter as often as you would like. Each time you do a VR is an extra entry. The prize will be a bag of dewdrops, and I will draw the winner after the post of my next challenge. This challenge is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. The prize is for US, but anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, feel free to follow and tag me on Instagram. This is a great way to use your stash. Search the hashtag to find other crafty friends. All right, friends, I hope you like this month's release. I am so super excited. I love these colors so much, and they do not just have to be used for Christmas. These are colors that can be used all year long. This is probably one of my new favorites. They have that frosted white color, and these will be great for Christmas projects this season. I would like to thank you guys all so very much for all of your support. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.